At West Coast Park, where the sea meets the shore, the sun dips low, painting gold on the waves once more. Halfway down the sky, in that orange glow, we sat on the grass, watching ships come and go. Oh, halfway sunset, so warm and so bright. Then the clouds rolling, stealing away the light. Rain starts to fall, covering the sun, dancing in the drops. Our evening's just begun. Halfway sunset rain, bittersweet and true. Nature's little surprise, just me and you. Yaks on the horizon, playground laughs in the air. The sky turns dramatic, but we don't have a care. Droplets on our skin as the sun hides away. Thunder softly rumbles, turning night into day. Oh, halfway sunset, so warm and so bright. Then the clouds rolling, stealing away the light. Rain starts to fall, covering the sun, dancing in the drops. Our evening's just begun. Halfway sunset rain, bittersweet and true. Nature's little surprise, just me and you. No need for shelter, we'll embrace the storm in this tropical twilight. Our hearts stay warm, the rain washes clean, the sun peeks one last time. A moment forever, perfectly sublime. Halfway sunset